This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy Oreo truffles. First, you'll need 36 Oreo cookies and 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Begin by crushing the cookies into fine crumbs. A food processor works best, but a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin are also effective. Make sure to set aside about 1/4 cup of these crumbs for later use as a topping. This initial step is crucial for a smooth truffle base. Now, combine your finely crushed Oreo crumbs with the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese in a large bowl. Mix thoroughly until everything is well incorporated and forms a consistent dough. Once mixed, roll the truffle mixture into small, uniform balls, about 1 inch in diameter. Place these balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up for the next step. Next, it's time to coat your chilled truffles. Melt 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate or candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each truffle ball into the melted coating, ensuring it's fully covered. Use a fork to gently lift them out, letting any excess drip off. Immediately sprinkle with your reserved cookie crumbs or other decorations before the coating sets. This adds both flavor and visual appeal. Finally, let your beautifully coated Oreo truffles set completely. You can place them back in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is firm. Once set, they are ready to enjoy. Store any leftover truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic treat for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.